Hi, and welcome again. Sets. You can use the union function to create a new set that has all of the items for both sets. Or you can use the update method to insert all the things from one set into other set. The union method will return a new set. Let us take example. Now suppose that I have two sets, set 1 and set 2. So we can use the union method, which basically will combine those two sets into one set. So now we can say new set equal my set 1 dot union with my set 2. Now print the new set. It will combine both sets. Now suppose that I have a duplicate value, which is meaning I have apple here and I have it again here. So now we have apple here and we have apple here. As we know, the set is not allow for any duplicate. So it will be remove apple. It just appear one apple. So we'll have cherry, apple, pineapple, mango, and papaya. Apple here is removed. So we can reach the same result by using update. So I have my set 1, my set 2. You can say my set 1 dot update, my set 2, print my set 1 now, and update is do the same thing with taking the my set 1 and combine it to my set 2. So what is the difference between update and union? So basically union is return a new set, while update is making the update on existing set. But note that union and update will remove any duplicate items. If I add, we have apple here, if I add apple here again and we'll run, we will note that also update do the same which union did before, remove the duplicate value. Suppose that now we need to keep the duplicate. So in this situation, we will use the intersection update method, which will keep the duplicate item that are present into list. Now we will keep working on this example here. My list 1 and my list 2. Let me comment this one here. Go here. We have two lists here. Now I can say okay, my set 1, okay, dot, then enter section update my 2, it does print my set 1. Okay, so basically now the new list, the list 1 will contain only the duplicate value, which is apple. Also we can use the intersection method, would do the same thing. The difference is the intersection will return new set. So in the same example, we can say new set equal my set 1 dot intersection with my set 2 with my set 2. Okay, print new set. So it will give the same result. Again, what is the difference between intersection update and intersection? Intersection update will take the duplicate value and will update the my set 1, while the intersection is will not do any modification on set 1 or set 2. It instead will create new list. Okay, let me comment this one here and this one here to make it more clear. Okay, now if I print my list 1, I will get apple, pineapple, and cherry because there is nothing happen on that set. There is no change on this set. While if I using the intersection update and I want to print my set 1, the value will change and it's only having duplicate value, which is apple. Now suppose that we need to get the value which is only present in both set, which is meaning remove the duplicate. So in this set we have apple, banana, and cherry, pineapple. In another set we have pineapple, banana, and papaya and cherry. So apple is unique, I need it. Banana is duplicate, I don't need it. Cherry is duplicate, we don't need it. Pineapple unique, in both we need it. Banana here we don't need it because it's duplicated. Papaya we need it because it's unique. Cherry duplicated, we don't need it. How we can do that? We can using symmetric difference method. So what we will say okay, our new set equal my set 1 dot symmetric difference, and it will take the parameter the set number 2. Let us print the new set, run, and as you can see it's removed the duplicate value. So banana is removed and cherry is removed because it's present in two sets and we need the unique value.